Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Android car stereos that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Hawky Portable Wireless CarPlay car stereo, a budget-friendly option coming in at just $49.99. This product is perfect for those who want to upgrade their car's audio and navigation system without breaking the bank. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access music, navigation, and hands-free calling effortlessly. Its 7-inch HD touchscreen boasts a 1024 by 600 resolution, offering crisp visuals and an intuitive interface. The included backup camera adds an extra layer of safety, especially for those new to reversing. Design-wise, the Hawky stereo is lightweight and compact, making it easy to install without needing to dismantle your car's dashboard. It mounts securely onto your dashboard with an adhesive mount and is adjustable for optimal viewing angles. While the build quality is predominantly plastic, it feels durable enough for everyday use. Audio output options include Bluetooth, aux, and FM transmitter, letting you choose how the sound integrates with your car's existing system. This stereo is ideal for casual users or those driving older vehicles without modern infotainment systems. However, it does have limitations, such as a lack of advanced features like DSP tuning or subwoofer outputs. It's also not the best choice for audiophiles, as the sound quality is decent, but not exceptional. Overall, the Hawky Portable Stereo offers solid functionality for its price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. Pros: affordable price, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera included. Cons: basic sound quality, limited advanced features. Coming in at number 4 is the Doubleden Android 13 car stereo, priced at $75.99. This stereo packs an impressive feature set, including a powerful 14-band DSP for enhanced sound quality and real-time GPS navigation. Its 9-inch touchscreen with a 720p resolution supports split-screen functionality, allowing you to view navigation and backup camera feeds simultaneously. The stereo is preloaded with popular apps like Spotify and YouTube, making it a great entertainment hub for road trips. Dual USB ports and wireless CarPlay Android Auto support add to its connectivity options, while the 50 watts ×4 hi-fi audio ensures clear and immersive sound. The design is sleek, with an anti-fingerprint screen and IP65 waterproof touch controls that make it durable and user-friendly. Installation is straightforward, as it supports plug-and-play compatibility for 99% of vehicles from 2010 to 2023. Build quality is solid, though it's slightly bulkier than other stereos on this list. The Hawky stereo is ideal for drivers who want modern features like lossless audio playback and advanced sound tuning without spending a fortune. On the downside, while the stereo offers great value for its price, it may require harness adapters for certain car models. Additionally, some users may find the brightness slightly underwhelming in direct sunlight. Pros: advanced DSP audio tuning, preloaded apps, split-screen functionality. Cons: requires adapters for some vehicles, screen brightness could be improved. At number 3, we have the Joybring Upgrade Wireless Doubleden car stereo, priced at $135.97. This mid-range stereo offers a well-rounded set of features, including wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a 7-inch HD capacitive touchscreen, and support for 4.2-channel audio output with 2 subwoofer ports. The touchscreen is responsive and boasts a 124 by 600 resolution, providing clear visuals and smooth navigation. A built-in rear-view camera with HD night vision ensures safe parking, while the mirror link function lets you sync your smartphone for easy access to apps and media. The Joybring stereo is built with quality materials and features physical buttons for volume control, making it convenient to use while driving. Its 240-watt audio output delivers excellent sound quality, and the 10-band EQ allows for customization to suit your preferences. The inclusion of Bluetooth functionality ensures stable hands-free calling and music streaming, while the backup camera is a thoughtful addition for safety-conscious drivers. This stereo is perfect for those seeking a balance between price and features. However, it does require careful installation, and some vehicles may need additional accessories like dash kits or wire harness adapters. Pros: versatile audio options, HD touchscreen, high-quality backup camera. Cons: installation may require extra accessories, slightly higher price point. Taking the runner-up spot, the Hawky Wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car is a versatile option priced at $113.44. Its standout feature is the inclusion of a 4K front dash camera paired with a 1080p backup camera for enhanced safety and convenience. The 9-inch touchscreen is larger than most other options on this list and supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control integration with Siri and Google Assistant lets you navigate, make calls, and manage media without taking your hands off the wheel. The Hawky stereo is designed for ease of installation, requiring only a connection to the cigarette lighter and dashboard mounting. It also includes advanced safety features, such as a collision sensor and parking monitor, which automatically record and lock video footage during accidents or vibrations. The audio output is varied, supporting Bluetooth, aux, FM radio, and local speakers, ensuring flexibility in how you listen to music. Ideal for drivers who prioritize safety and convenience, this stereo offers a premium experience at a mid-range price. However, the lack of built-in speakers means you'll need to rely on external audio systems for optimal sound. Pros: 4K front dashcam, advanced safety features, large touchscreen. Cons: no built-in speakers, slightly bulky design. Taking the top spot, the PLZ Wireless Doubleden car stereo is a premium option priced at $139.99. This stereo delivers a complete package with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a high-fidelity sound system powered by DSP technology, and a 7-inch IPS touchscreen. The screen boasts a 1024 by 600 resolution, providing vivid colors and sharp visuals. Its steering wheel control, SWC integration ensures that you can manage volume, track selection, and voice commands without taking your hands off the wheel, enhancing safety while driving. The audio performance is where this stereo truly shines, with 240-watt output and support for 4.2 channels, including 2 subwoofer outputs for deep bass. Bluetooth 5.3 integration ensures fast and stable connections, while the backup camera offers HD night vision for added safety. Installation may require professional assistance, but the stereo fits most Doubleden openings and comes with detailed instructions. This stereo is perfect for audiophiles and tech-savvy drivers who want the best in sound quality, connectivity, and safety features. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its feature-rich design and premium performance justify the price. Pros: outstanding sound quality, robust feature set, SWC integration. Cons: higher price, requires professional installation for some vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.